What's going on? It's Suk and I'm back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech. In today's video, I shall be unboxing the 9th gen iPad which was released in 2021. As always, I will be uploading a video testing the camera's still and video capabilities, and once these videos have been uploaded, I will leave them linked down below in this video's description. Finally, we are on the road to 5,000 subscribers, and if you are new around here, then I must ask you to hit the subscribe button, clicking the bell to be notified on when I upload a new video. Without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So firstly, let's talk about this new model. It's available in only two different colours, silver and space grey, and today I'll be opening the space grey model. Its starting price is £319 here in the UK for 64GB of storage, whereas if you're from the US, then the starting price is $329. There is one other storage option which is for 256GB of storage, so yeah, it jumps up 4 times as much, and there is no middle ground for a 128GB model. Also this year, you can see that Apple are yet to do away with the plastic wrap from their iPad boxes, which is something they've been doing with their iPhones for quite some time now. So cutting into the plastic wrap and peeling this away, we can lift the lid, revealing the device, and placing this aside, we get our first look at the included bits and bobs. Firstly, we get the included paperwork, which is massive and contains a lot of information. The first of these documents is your quick start guide, which informs you on how to use some of the system gestures and also points you to the Tips app, which comes pre-installed on the device itself. Anyway, the next document included is your safety and handling notices along with your regulatory information. The last item included is your 2 rather large white Apple stickers. Once we've looked at that, we can see the last 2 remaining items. The first of these is your 20-watt USB-C power adapter, which has a folding design for our plug sockets here in the UK. It should be good to charge this iPad to 50% in just over 1 hour and a complete charge in just over 2.5 hours. And the last item to be included with this iPad is your 1 meter USB-C to Lightning cable. Yes, making this indeed the last and currently the only iPad to ship with the Lightning port. And then we have the device itself. So if you'd like to see this device tested, compared and then reviewed, then be sure to subscribe, clicking the bell to be notified of when new videos go live. Of course, if you have got any video suggestions or anything you would like to see tested, then be sure to let me know by hitting me up over on Twitter and Instagram, links to which can be found down below. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care and have a good one.